Yeah, good afternoon, evening. So the craziest thing happened. I'm like, what the fuck is that noise in my stove? Is there a ghost in my stove? No, it turns out there's a fucking woodpecker in my fucking stove. So, yeah, how the fuck do you catch a woodpecker? That's what I want to fucking know. So, there I am, dancing around the house with a fucking bed sheet. Managed to get him. Good looking woodpecker too. But I ain't releasing them nowhere near my house. Like that. Woody woodpecker in a bag. Little do we know, the top of the bag is open. You know, nice looking bird. Just I don't want him in my fucking stovepipe. Yeah, little bastard. He's lucky this is a catch and release. If he was sitting in a tree, I wouldn't fucking like him. There you go. The other way, you idiot. The other direction. Shit all over me bag. Anyway, this has been how to catch a bird.